Normally, the Talawanda High School student is a docile animal, preferring to sit by themselves and watch episodes of It's Always Sunny in Philadelphia. Here we see a student enjoying one of those episodes now. Members of this particular species will find other ways to entertain themselves for these long periods of time. But how long can these interesting beasts maintain their entertainment level without things getting weird? Here we see one of them laying down his new mixtape. Yet another begins bathing himself. Still others will begin to exhibit other socially awkward facial expressions. And depending upon the length of these lockdowns, you will start to see physiological changes in this animal.